Hello guys, welcome to the amazing Aditya. Yeah, we got that. There's someone breaking this giant chest with non-OP. Like I have the max in the... what is this world? Okay. Our goal in this video is going to the moon. Now, going to the hell, haunted, find some ghosts, and get the new weapons. Okay, I can't find anything that gives me OP thingies. So let me just attack some thingy big box for a while. Ooh, the present! It is mine! Don't ever touch my present. Or you shall face consequences. If this has coal in it, I'm going to destroy Christmas. Yeah, literally. Ooh, pista. 38k. Oh god. Yet close to unlock. 2.2 million. I am only 607k because I spent all my coins on buying this sword. Oh, damage death. It gives me coins. Nice. Oh, another crystal crown. That's so much damage. And a cube. Let's just unequip this and equip this. Now I look. This is a crazy combination. The jump. Did someone took my gift? I am going to give them coal for Christmas because they took my... Okay, I need presents really, so much presents. Okay, I have 85. Only need 60 for the common egg. But I'm deciding to open this. Wait a minute.
எவ்வளோ நேரமா chat பண்ணிட்டு இருப்ப?
I was just AFK for a while and no presents. Yeah, my luck's so bad. Is it just me or everyone else is getting up stuff, but not me? Ooh, blue snorkel. What's that? Okay. That. Now it's not OP. So let's continue my suffering. Ooh, I one-shot them. I one-shot medium boxes. My goodness, one-shotting everything in unboxing simulator. Oh, Shukasri, box killing simulator. Why do they have SWAT for opening boxes? And if you don't subscribe, this word will come out of your mouth and slice your home into half. Yeah, we'll keep that. Slice your home into half. I just made up things. Please don't demonetize me. Okay, I know I'm a pretty new YouTuber. You may know that my channel was created. That's just inconvenient. Ooh, they have saying, what? Your name is Preston? Can you give me some OP Pet Simulator X, please? Please, please. I even gave you something. Oh my goodness. The O. No, that's not the owner. It's just a fake Preston. I know who's the real Preston. Who's the fake Preston? Okay. This is getting too much. Oh, coins chest. Nice. Nice. Give me some money. Coins chest. Ooh. And okay, I got wings. Whoever got wings for their birthday, I tell them good luck. Oh my goodness, there's my money. Oh my goodness, 1.3 million. 1 million to go. Okay. Where is the chest? Big bear. Okay, let's just unbox some small presents and medium presents and a big present. Ooh, blue wizard hat. What's that? How much? This is clearing up my storage, so let's just can I delete it? Oh my goodness, this game is such a biggish scam. Okay, 1/5 million. Nice. Only 0.7 million to go. Should I say 700,000? Exactly. Yeah, I'm good at doing maths. Maths is my favorite. That? Why did I just teleport to some sort of thingy? I've been waiting for minutes, hours, and I didn't get anything except these boxes. Ooh, they have that only. Ha! I'm way too OP. Can't defeat me. If I wait 15 minutes, I'll eventually get something OP, I guess. Because the chest is right there. And oh my goodness, I'm very scared. If I go to that hell haunted house, will ghost possess me? Absolutely not. Because I will only possess ghosts. Ghost doesn't possess me because I'm with late. You can't break this yet, crazy unboxer. Wow, he's also a crazy unboxer, but he's not OP like me. He doesn't have OP weapon. Okay, I have 7.6 million. Let me just do the mathematics. Wait. Okay. Uh, 20 plus 100. 320k. That took me so long. Okay. The gifts spawn rarely. I'm almost to 2 million. 2 million. Hit that subscribe button, please. I need to buy my bread. I just want to buy my bread. So please subscribe. Is this? Are you kidding me? Yeah, let's just break that giant present. Small gift. He can't even break that. Easy. Learn from your OP things. Okay. Oh my goodness. How can I find this? I can find it. Finally. The hell area. What? Cheating me? Okay, I have officially unlocked hell, but that's not stopping me because I am going to. Oh, what did I just get? Wait, let me just get this. Oh my goodness. Yo, Dash, now you come. Done. This is very OP. I didn't expect to be OP like me. Okay, let's look at the. Ooh, cool. What? 12 million? It's like very, very expensive. Okay, let's just select this big box of roof dust. Oh my goodness. Why aren't they letting me open some? Okay, medium box. Oh my goodness, I'm getting scared. Zen. I need Zen. Zen means calm. See, everybody's getting presents after I left the sandy beach. Is that not bad? Ooh, what's the next area? This is the future. Yes? Future. I am come. I'm going to break this box, then the video ends. Yeah. Totally awesome. Let's just see. Oh my goodness. Oh, and you get out. You come in. I have 2 eliminators. Okay. Damage dealt. What's this? Eerie pumpkin head. Claim. Okay, let's see. Oh my goodness. OMG. You get out and you come. Perfect. I look nothing like me. Okay. OMG. This is taking so long. I was just kidding. I'm going to break this medium gift. Then the video ends. Someone's coming to help me. That's pretty good. I hope they don't steal my precious. Ooh, bat wings. Legendary. 68. OMG. You go out. No. I keep you. You want a cube. Done. Now I can fly. Okay, I have 2 million. Let me just break this small gift. Okay, 10 million. That's nice. Pretty good. This will. My quest is going up very fast. Very fast indeed. That my computer is going to break. Don't try to help me. Just go away. Okay, that's all for this video. To be continued. Bye.